Second premiere here, back with another quick one. Short but sweet. I got pickup today. Showing off the Johto Journeys, Your Spring Rampage VHS I picked up at the Goodwill. So I love finding these in the wild. So surprised to see this. And the best part about it is it comes with the sticker. New Static Cling, Cyndaquil. This is awesome. Glow-in-the-dark sticker. The fact that this is still in there in great condition is awesome. Showing off the other ones I got. But picked it up for $1. So adding that to the collection. Showing off a little knockdown on the back. Some hoo-hoot. Misty joins Team Rocket. And I got a Darkness Ablaze, Check Lane Blister, Pikachu, going Zard hunting. Gonna open it up real quick. I'm gonna start getting into the shorts. Shorter, quicker videos. Just a pack, just, you know, for the days, the times when it's hard to get a whole bunch of cards. I might just do a daily thing. Keep content flowing. But Darkness Ablaze. Did I say Vivid Voltage? I meant Darkness Ablaze if I accidentally said Vivid Voltage. But Pikachu, Sword and Shield Hollow. And the button. So, Darkness Ablaze. Booster pack. Come on, baby. See if we get that Zard. Fingers crossed. I got a few more of these I'm going to open. I might open either this one or the Rebel Clash blisters I got in the upcoming days. But we got a Pupitar, Zweilous, Fletchinder, Spinarak, Larvesta, Hippopotas, Gullet, Skitty, Reverse Toxtricity, and a non-hollow Vanillux. Dun dun dun. No Zard, but we got a Reverse Toxtricity. And the sweet promo. So those are the hollows today. And my Johto Journeys VHS. Be back with another quick video tomorrow. Stay tuned. Second premiere. We out here. Like, subscribe, and comment. Peace.